Getting your vendors, customers, and employees and whatever other contacts you have into Odoo can be painful, to say the least. Even for someone like me, who lives and breathes Excel and spends a fair amount of time in Odoo. Now, an import's supposed to be quick and easy, right? I mean, essentially you should be able to take an Excel file and push it into Odoo, but because of inconsistency of data, missing fields, missing items that should be there that aren't, it ends up being way more difficult and way more costly than most people anticipate. And honestly, I got so tired of it that I built a tool that makes it so much easier. So in this video, I'll show you how I turn a typical multi-hour contact import into about 5 minutes. And in case you're wondering if it's a bigger import, something closer to 10,000 to 50,000 records, you're still only looking at 15 minutes. So way better than what your partner quoted you. And if you're wanting to follow along and try this out for yourself, you're going to want to click the link in the description below. Okay, we made it. Now we need to go ahead and create an account. So we're going to click sign up and create that account. Now that we're in, we need to connect to Odoo. This is probably the most difficult part of what I'm going to ask you to do today, but it's still super easy. And I'll have a video right here to guide you through it. Now that we've successfully connected to Odoo, we can do a data import. And you can see I have contacts, products. Products is coming in the future if this one does well. So stay tuned for that. But back in contacts, we're going to go in and we're going to grab a new import. And we can drag and drop the file or go ahead and click in to grab it. I've got 1,000 lines of messy contacts that I'm going to use. So let's see, where is it? There we go. Grab that. And this is going to upload and give you a first pass on what I expect your import to take here. And as you can see, there's nothing up my sleeves, but let's get ready for some magic. So a few seconds later, we get this little analysis. I've got my suggested package up here, depending on how many rows you have and how messy it is. And then I give you the option to preview the import plan if you're not sure you want to spend the $100 right away. So coming down through, we've got 1,000 records analyzed. That means that it saw 1,000 different rows that looked like records. We got 17 different columns. We've got some different decisions that you would have to make if you were doing this manually. And then the readiness score, which an 81% is not bad. Now we've got our columns where 16 were matched automatically to fields in Odoo. We've got one that was unmapped, which is mobile. Odoo removed that for some reason. I'm not sure why. And then we've got some other stuff down here explaining what we're going to be doing. And for anybody wondering, I have a basic import that goes up to about 1,000 rows. Then you have a standard import that goes up to 10,000 rows for $249, and then an advanced import that goes up to 50,000 rows for $499. If you've got something more than that, you can always contact me and I'll give you a good price on it. And because I want everybody to feel safe, I provided you two options here. You can go ahead and preview the import plan for 15 bucks. It'll take you through the first step where it runs through all the scrubbers, all the filters, applies a little bit of AI, and make sure that everything is working properly, and then gives you the plan. That 15 bucks will then apply to the $100 when you decide to push into Odoo. So no worries if you decide to go that way. And that's what we're going to do today just to show this off. So we're going to go to preview import plan. It's going to take us to a Stripe checkout here. And I'm going to put in a promotion code. No, this promotion code is not going to work once you guys come in here. But I do have another one for the first 10 people that do this. That's going to be in the description below, and it'll take 50% off. And about a minute later, I get this email, which for 1,000 records is pretty impressive for the amount of scrubbing. And this screen, the big thing about it is that now we can see our prepared data. So after all the scrubbers and everything else like that, I push this out to a shared file so that you can see it. And you're welcome to come into here and try and push this into Odoo yourself, but there's still some magic that needs to happen that makes this way easier if I do it for you. So anyway, I want to give you that option. I want you to be able to look at this, see what all it's passed through, what all it's cleaned up. You can go ahead and spend as much time as you want looking at that. But when you inevitably decide that you don't want to spend your time messing around with that stuff, you can come back here, go to continue with basic import. It's going to take you back to a Stripe checkout here, and we're going to make sure that we don't have to pay for doing a demo video here. We'll go ahead and complete this order, and we'll get an email shortly letting us know that it's ready to push into Odoo. Okay, this was really quick. Let's go ahead and review and approve our import so that we can push it into Odoo. So coming down through this, we had 16 fields that matched nicely to Odoo. We had to create some custom fields. We had to scrub through some many-to-ones and many-to-manys, added some missing fields and set up the IDs, clean it all up, cleaned up the addresses, tons of stuff going on here. And you may not realize how difficult this normally is if you haven't dealt with it before, but if you're missing many-to-ones or many-to-manys or any of that stuff, you have to mess with that behind the scenes. I'm taking care of all that for you. Plus, I'm cleaning up your addresses, I'm making sure that companies are properly set up, that the individuals underneath them will show up underneath them. There's a ton going on here. Anyway, enough said about that. We're now going to click Import to Odoo, and this is going to push directly into our Odoo database. And a matter of minutes later, we're going to get a nice little email that redirects us back here. It gives us a summary of what happened. And if we look over in Odoo, you can see that I have 1,000 new records beyond the ones that I used to have. I have this able to delete filter here that makes it easy for me to see what was imported and cleaned up. But you can see everything's here. And this is about as easy as I can make it for you guys. So that's about it. That's the tool I created. And hopefully it'll be super helpful to you, save you some time and money, because that's really what I'm all about. If you're one of the first 10 people to try this out, the promo code is in the description below. Go ahead and grab that. And hopefully if this does well enough, product import will be coming along soon enough, because I know that's even more crazy for a lot of people than contacts. As always, thanks for your time, guys. I appreciate you stopping by. If you'd like to build something like this, or if you need help in Odoo, go ahead and grab some time with me on my Calendly, which is also linked in the description. Anyway, that's all for now, but if you'd like more weekly tips and tricks, go ahead and join my mailing list, which is also linked in the description, or come join our community where you can meet with other like-minded individuals who are trying to make Odoo work well for them.